In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an Excel file into a PDF using Adobe Acrobat DC Pro. This guide will take you through the process step by step, ensuring you can seamlessly switch your Excel documents into a polished, easy to share PDF format. Let's dive in and explore this transformation together. The first thing you'll need to do is open up the document you want to convert in Adobe Acrobat DC Pro. If you have Adobe Acrobat installed, go ahead and launch it, then navigate to the file you'd like to convert. Once you've located it, open it up so you can see its contents. Having the file open and ready is crucial, as this is where the conversion magic begins. Once your document is open in Acrobat, you'll notice a global bar at the top of the application window. This is your command center for various tasks. Look closely and you'll find the option labeled Convert. Go ahead and select this option. It's our gateway to changing formats. After clicking on Convert, a menu of options appears. From these options, you'll want to choose Microsoft Excel. This selection is specifically tailored for converting Excel documents, so make sure to choose it to proceed correctly. Now, you will see a drop-down menu appear, offering you a choice between different file formats. For Excel, you'll typically want to select either XLSX or XML, depending on your specific needs or the requirements of whoever will be receiving the PDF. Feel free to pick the format that best suits your needs. With your format selected, it's time to action the conversion by clicking on the Convert button. This is where Adobe Acrobat takes your Excel data and transforms it into a PDF format quickly and efficiently. Finally, after the conversion process is all done, you'll be taken to the Save As dialog box. Here's your chance to decide where you want to store your new PDF on your computer. Choose a location that makes sense to you, whether it's on your desktop for easy access, in a project folder, or somewhere else entirely. Once you've decided, just hit Save, and there you have it, your brand new PDF file, all ready to be used however you need. For those who work often with different file formats, mastering this conversion process can be immensely beneficial. Not only does it keep your documents looking professional, but a PDF file is also easier to share, ensuring that it maintains its integrity across all devices and platforms. Practice this process a few times, and you'll soon be able to do it practically in your sleep. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and thank you for watching.